Today I'm showing you how to hide and unhide replies on Twitter, now called X. Let's get started. What does hiding replies do? When you hide a reply to your tweet, it removes it from the main conversation view. People can still see hidden replies by tapping a hidden replies icon, but it helps you manage unwanted or inappropriate responses. Step 1. Open Twitter X app. Open the Twitter app on your device. Note that Twitter is now officially called X, but the process is the same. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your profile page. Step 3. Open your tweet. Scroll through your tweets and tap on the tweet that has replies you want to hide. This opens the full tweet with all its replies below. Step 5. Find the reply to hide. Scroll through the replies below your tweet and find the specific reply you want to hide. Step 6. Access reply options. Tap the downward arrow icon or 3 dots on some devices in the top right corner of the reply you want to hide. Step 7. Hide the reply. In the menu that appears, select Hide Reply. The reply will immediately be hidden from your tweet's main conversation. Step 8. Confirm hidden status. Once hidden, the reply disappears from the visible conversation. A small hidden replies icon appears in the bottom right corner of your tweet, showing that some replies are hidden. So hiding doesn't completely remove them, it just moves them out of the main conversation. Important note. When you hide someone's reply, the author of that reply will be notified that you've hidden it. This is done for transparency. How to unhide a reply. To unhide a reply, tap the hidden replies icon on your tweet. Find the reply you want to unhide, tap the arrow icon on that reply again, and select Unhide Reply. The reply will be placed back in the main conversation below your tweet. Limitations. If the author of a hidden reply has blocked or muted you after you hid their reply, you won't be able to see or unhide their reply anymore. Similarly, if the author deletes their reply after you hide it, it's permanently gone and can't be unhidden. Why use this feature? Hiding replies helps you manage your tweet conversations by reducing visibility of spam, inappropriate comments, or off-topic responses without completely blocking users. It's a useful moderation tool for maintaining constructive conversations. And that's it. You now know how to hide and unhide replies on Twitter X to better manage your tweet conversations.